sky lanes are operating at optimal capacity. AI traffic control is rerouting Sector 7 due to high density. I will have the dark roast, please.
Excellent choice. I will bring that right away.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Enjoy your coffee. Welcome to the classroom of the future. Today we will explore the boundaries of quantum manipulation. Today we will explore the molecular bond. Notice how the sequence determines everything. Optimization complete. Simulating now. Vitals are stable, beginning the procedure. The AI assistant is calibrating micro-movements. The neural scan...
Wow, look how high we are!
The city is beautiful tonight, isn't it? Welcome back. Environment adjusted to your optimal vitals. Dietary requirements are being...